This is the special corner for a very special person in my life. This is my girlfriend, or should I say, my wife. She's been with me through thick and thin and has always supported me in everything that I do. And no words can describe how I feel, except I love you so much. Guys, let me tell you how I met the love of my life. This goes without saying, but look at her. Look at that beauty. Look at how pretty she is. Let me just slowly undress her. And not only that, she also has a very huge rack. You see? Sorry, I forgot it's made out of very strong aluminium. Of course, I choose wife, need to choose pretty one ma. You see? So lang lui. She has so many colors. Every day different color. Monday pink, Tuesday yellow, Wednesday. So when I first saw her, yeah, pretty lah. But how do I know whether I will love her long time? I just knew I would fall in love with her after that night because she has two very strong and geng lobang. They are both very fast some more. 10 Gbps transfer speed Not fast enough meh? Faster than Ferrari bro. Other than those two lobang, she got another lobang that is very fast. For me to put my LAN cable, you know. Put inside already, wow, so smooth. What? My internet smooth lah, what you thinking? But then she's always so cold, you know. Whatever I do to her, she macam no rasa one. You see the heatsink? So many. Nah. But then again, she brings so much clarity in my life. Because graphics strong ma. No need play low res already. Who does that, man? This RTX 3070 Twin Edge from Zotac, very strong one, you know. It has 8GB GDDR6 and most importantly, two very big fans. You see the fan? Ooh, you can control one by one some more. Sometimes I like the left one more, sometimes I like the right one more. This one RTX got two main features. Number one is the ray tracing and another one is DLSS. Okay, ray tracing is a new rendering technique that makes the lights, reflections and shadows look realistic in games. So you can immerse yourself into the game play until you go inside the game already. Next is DLSS, Deep Learning Super Sampling, which run the game at lower resolution, then use AI to upscale and make the graphic atas. How? Cause the AI smart lah. The AI has big brain. So even your graphic is low res, it can detect what it is agak-agak lah and make it even prettier. Just like Beautify for games, but smarter. And all these new games like Watch Dogs Legion, Cyberpunk, also got RTX already bro. I already pre-ordered Cyberpunk already. So my 老婆 can show me a whole new world every night. No money for Cyberpunk? Aiya, clap lah you. Wow, look at this gameplay. Look at this Fortnite. So nice now. But what I cannot brain is why her brain so good can be so fast. When I have 10,000 questions questioning my life decisions, she will be there to help me. She cannot help with my problems, but 32GB RAM, she tell me ask Uncle Google about all my problems. And got enough brain power and brain space to tahan all my shit. Where to find? You tell me, where to find? See this video is to tell you, you choose your wife, very important. Because every day you need to see her, play with her. If she's no good for you, then die liao. Correct or not? Just like my ex-wife throw me in the dumpster. Overall, I really love my wife. And I swear, I will protect you and love you with all that I have, baby.
我跟你分手了，嘿。